What if your next smartphone didn't just use AI, but was actually built around it? OnePlus is finally stepping into the AI game, and they're not holding back. The OnePlus 13s is set to launch with an entire suite of next-gen features under a new brand called OnePlus AI, and it might just change how you use your phone forever. If you're excited about the future of AI in smartphones, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. We've got more innovations like this coming your way. Let's dive in. OnePlus had dabbled in AI before, but now they're going all in. Launching with the OnePlus 13s, the company is introducing a brand new button called the Plus key, replacing the iconic alert slider. This button isn't just for shortcuts, it's the gateway to OnePlus's bold new feature, AI Mind Space. Here's how it works. Hold down the Plus key when it's set to Mind Space mode, and your phone begins scanning the content on your screen using a system called AI Plus Mind. It can detect events and automatically add them to your calendar, recognize locations and give you relevant info, and even translate any foreign language on the screen in real time. Everything it processes gets saved into MindSpace, a personal, searchable archive of your digital life. What makes it powerful is AI search. Just type in what you're looking for, like birthday dinner location or notes from yesterday's call, and it brings up exactly what you need using natural language. And coming later this year, AI Plus Mind will start organizing all that info for you automatically. This isn't just a one-device feature either. While it debuts on the 13s, it will roll out to the entire OnePlus 13 series via software updates. For devices without the Plus key, the same mind space can be accessed by swiping up with 3 fingers. But OnePlus didn't stop at just one feature. They're rolling out an entire AI ecosystem. AI Voice Scribe can record, summarize, and even translate meetings and calls inside your favorite messaging or video apps. AI Call Assistant, currently India exclusive, offers live call translations and summaries in real time inside the new OnePlus Dialer app. AI Translation app combines all translation features, text, voice, camera, and screen, into one seamless experience. AI Reframe inside the Photos app uses scene analysis to suggest better, more creative image framing. And AI Best Face 2.0 can fix closed eyes or awkward expressions automatically, making sure you always look your best. OnePlus is also taking its partnership with Google to the next level by integrating Google Gemini AI throughout Oxygen OS. That includes Gemini working within apps like OnePlus Notes and Clock, and support for Gemini Live, which adds camera and screen sharing capabilities. Now, let's talk privacy, because OnePlus knows how sensitive all this AI processing can be. The company promises that anything sensitive stays on device. When heavy lifting is needed, it moves to OnePlus's private computing cloud, which provides a fully encrypted, secure environment. Everything, from device to cloud to data transfer, is protected by a trusted execution environment. And here's the big date to mark, June 5th. That's when OnePlus officially launches the 13s and this full suite of OnePlus AI features. It's not just a phone update, it's a whole new way of thinking about mobile intelligence. So now we want to hear from you. Would you give up the alert slider for a dedicated AI button? Which of these AI features are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that like button if you made it to the end.